what exactly does title do on a transaction aside of hosting the closing?
All right, well, I guess I wear many hats, and talking about title can be a little bit boring sometimes, but it is a creative career. I guess we're just problem solvers. We're constantly looking for solutions to problems to make sure that a transaction gets to closing. So anything from giving therapy to our agents or actually going out and fixing open permits, we can help with anything in the transaction.
So how does that look like when title's representing a buyer versus representing a seller on a transaction?
So if I'm representing a buyer, my job is to make sure that they have marketable clear title when they close. What does that mean? We want them to know that there's not going to be any liens that pop up afterwards that haven't been taken care of, or any fees that the seller didn't pay from when they were actually the owners of the property. That's why you have title insurance to protect you. In case something comes up that didn't come up in one of the searches, we can go ahead and use the title policy to clear whatever issue the buyer is having. When we represent the seller, however, we need to assist them in clearing out any of those things that we find in the searches. So if we get an estoppel from an association, which is basically just an accounting of what the association has in their system, and we are responsible to making sure that the seller pays for all of those things before the buyer takes